that was a cold start. It's actually nice and warm today. It's 70. But it finally quit raining last night. It rained for almost a whole more than 48 hours. So, still running good. That wasn't a cold start. I was just doing that to show you that I have a miss. I have a miss on cylinder 4. It's horrible. I ordered a coil pack, check engine lights on, and I took it in, and it's kind of a cold start. Check engine lights on, and I took it in, and I found out that the coil pack, I guess water got in it when it rained, and I drove in the rain. And as you can see, my truck is kind of dirty. It was dirtier before. It was actually clean. And yeah, so now it's missing, and I ordered a coil pack, and when I get it, I will replace it. I got another motor craft, and then it'll be good as new. So there you go. Here's something random. Whoa, it's full of water. I didn't expect that. Well, here's my old muffler. It's full of water, and I just got my shoe all wet. I really didn't expect that. Is it empty now? No. Okay. But yeah, that's the old muffler.